What's up, guys? It's Rustic here. Welcome back to another episode of Raw Stocks. We're going to be taking a look at Tesla's chart. We're going to look at where price came from, where price ended at the end of last week, and where price is headed into this week. You can see we got the Tesla chart pulled up with the 15-minute chart. We saw some nice selling going on last week, and so we got your levels to keep you prepared heading into the week that we're in. Today, it's the 1st. It's a holiday. There was no trading going on. So market will open tomorrow on Tuesday. We do have some data this week as well as non-farm payroll on Friday. So let's just go ahead and jump into the levels. These levels are formulated using data that we get from Gamma Edge. There is a link in the description below if you're interested in finding out more about Gamma Edge. They have a 14-day free trial to try their data service. All these levels are formulated and calculated, and our trade plan is developed using actual options data. So let's take a look at these levels. We do see some structure here. Want to just make a note down here. We have our supply. Okay, you see we've made that move up and we came up to this level here. You can see there's a lot of reaction here where sellers are present, and now we've seen price come back down. Okay, there are some fair value gaps in here. There is some reason for price to move back down below here as well. On the green average line here, that is a weekly VWAP. The white one is standard VWAP, so we use those as well. So if we zoom into current price as we closed on Friday, we closed at 333.86. Okay, we have our bear and our bull trigger set up as well as our stops in place, and we have our levels, so we're going to go over those right now. Okay, looking for the bearish side because we are selling down. We have not seen price make a move above VWAP or above the weekly VWAP. So right now we're considered to still be in bullish territory. So if we were to make the move down, we'll start with the bear trigger. The bear trigger here is at 332, so that's closing potentially 3, 5, or 15-minute, depending on the confirmation you like. Closing 3, 5, 15-minute candles below the bear trigger, below 332, can lead to first target of 330. Beyond that, we have 327.50, and then a full flush would bring us back down to 330, which you can see there was a lot of buying pressure that happened there as we built a shelf previously over here August 7th and August 20th, right? So there's been a lot in that area. Okay, now we'll look at the bull case scenario. Let's say our bear stop. If the bear trigger hits and we don't move on those targets, our bear stop is 334.28. Okay, now we'll look at the bull case scenario. If price starts moving up, our bull trigger is right above VWAP. So basically we're looking for a reclaim of VWAP. The bull trigger to start us off at 337.50. And if that bull case plays out, we will be looking for a move to 340. Beyond that, we're looking for a move to 344.92 or otherwise 345, which is right where weekly VWAP is currently at the close of Friday. And then a full extension to our third take profit is going to go to 352.50. So again, these are our bull and our bear case scenarios. Our bull stop, if the bull trigger gets hit and we fail to move up to target, the bull stop is going to be at 335.07. We can just round that off to 335. These stops are roughly at a 1-to-1 from the first target. So after the trigger, first target, our stop is going to be a 1-to-1 to start off. Beyond that, we have greater than a 2-to-1, and then our deep target is often like 4 or 5-to-1. Okay, same thing with the bull side, right? This is a 1-to-1 right here. And then beyond that, probably about a 3-to-1, and then maybe like a 5-to-1. So definitely more reward if we keep moving up. These are weekly trade plans, so trade accordingly. But those levels are in place for you. All you really got to do is trade the trigger to the levels. So if you like what you see here, you can go ahead and join our Discord. It's free to join. There's a link in the description below as well for that. We do have premium access where you get not only the Tesla trade plan, which I give out for free every week on YouTube, on X, on the Discord, but you also get access to 18 other tickers that are our favorites to trade on the Raw Stocks trading Discord, including QQQ, weekly trade plan, SPY, SPX, Nvidia, Microsoft, Meta, Netflix, um, CrowdStrike, quite a few major tickers in there. So you get these kind of trade plans for every one of those tickers every week if you join premium. Right now we got 7 days for $7, so take advantage of that now before it goes away. Hopefully this has been helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share with everybody you know to help us get the Raw Stocks name out there. We really appreciate it. And until the next time, we'll see you guys later.